Exercise number 4 is the single leg RDL. We're looking now to make it a little bit more dynamic, build more stability, but what we're also able to get is that development in the balance and the smoothness of movement, which is stability through the ankle, knee and the hip. And we're able to take some of the stuff that we were trying to do with the bird dog and enhance that. So what the single leg RDL looks like is if we stand with feet together, this leg stays straight, you lift the heel, again engage the glute, tip the body forward, so we maintain sort of a straight line going through the body as if I'm stood up, slight bend of this knee, control the position, and then we come back up. So again, what we're looking for is down, engage this glute, and come forwards. Now, the initial part of this, as I mentioned, is stability through ankle, knee, and hip. So that is where this doesn't really move. If we're all over the place, we've got instability somewhere through there, and that needs to be rectified. So we've got that stability going through one side. What then happens is with this back leg, this is where the bird dog element comes into it. So the reason I've said we extend and we engage this hip is because as we tip forward, we're engaging the muscles of the mid-back to keep the body up. We're now engaging the muscles of the glutes to keep this leg up. So again, all the way through that chain is activated to hold everything up, like the lines on a suspension bridge to hold the road up. They're staying active to hold everything in place. Keep the spine in neutral, we tip forward, glutes on, mid-back is on, and then we come up. And then finally when we come back, or when we go back and come back up, that's the dynamic part to it. That's the smoothness of movement. That's showing that we've got good stability through this ankle, knee and hip. So there's two ways of it happening. Is one, they're not wobbling. So the knee stays in position nice and smooth. And then that allows the second part is the movement to be nice and smooth. And we come through there. So again, this leg basically stays stationary. As we tip forward, that leg comes back, we come back, we go back, so on and so forth. So we want the single leg RDL to bring essentially everything together. With the other exercises, we've been building the muscles and getting them to engage and consciously mind-muscle connection, getting them going. What we're now doing is building it in to everyday types of movements like tipping forward, like lifting, like bending, so on and so forth, but also still building stability, strength, endurance through the lower back.